Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Excellency Prime Minister Ahmed Dawoodoglu, distinguished members of the Turkish delegation, Excellencies, respected representatives of the media, ladies and gentlemen, I am delighted to welcome Prime Minister Ahmed Dawoodoglu and the Turkish delegation to their second home, Pakistan. The relationship between Pakistan and Turkey, we just witnessed Turkey's unfailing support and solidarity again when our children were mercilessly attacked by terrorists in Peshawar. I reiterate our profound gratitude to the Turkish people and leadership for solidly standing behind us in that extremely difficult hour. Indeed, both nations have always supported each other through such testing times. We in Pakistan also admire Turkey's achievements, be these in economic development or contributions to regional and international peace and security. Turkey's presidency of G20 this year is yet another milestone on which we congratulate the Turkish leadership. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just concluded the fourth session of the High-Level Strategic Cooperation Council. Our talks were wide-ranging. The High-Level Strategic Cooperation Council provides strategic focus and direction to our bilateral relationship, covering key areas like political cooperation, trade, finance and banking, energy, transport and communications, education and culture and tourism. We reaffirmed our joint commitment to continue to transform our special relationship into a strong strategic partnership. We have agreed to give a central thrust to bilateral trade and investment cooperation. We are embarking on new trade liberalization initiatives and would work towards FTA. Our security, defense and counter-terrorism cooperation remains robust. The MOUs and agreements signed today would further enhance bilateral cooperation in diverse fields, including economic and social sectors. We have no doubt that Pakistan-Turkey relations would continue to grow from strength to strength, serving as a powerful factor for stability in the region and beyond, inshallah. Pakistan and Turkey are pivotal states playing a vitally important role in their respective regions and crafting effective responses to challenges and opportunities. We exchanged views on the regional situation. I apprised Prime Minister of our endeavors for peace, stability, and development in South Asia as part of our vision of a peaceful neighborhood. I highlighted the efforts Pakistan has made for a good neighborly relationship with India and our commitment to a peaceful resolution of the Kashmir dispute. I expressed the hope that our constructive approach would be reciprocated by the other side in the interest of regional peace and strategic stability. I also highlighted the historic new phase we have commenced in Pakistan-Afghanistan relations and the intensifying multi-dimensional cooperation on political, security, counter-terrorism, and trade and economic issues. We have met today in the backdrop of the Paris attack and its aftermath. I shared my deep anguish and unreserved condemnation of any attempts to vilify Islam and justify sacrilegious acts towards the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, in the name of freedom of expression. While condemning terrorism in all forms, Pakistan and Turkey have reaffirmed their resolve to work together to oppose any form of Islamophobia. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I am gratified with the outcome of our extensive talks and the HLSCC meeting, which would place our relationship on an even higher pedestal. As indispensable partners, Turkey and Pakistan would continue to work closely, making a substantial contribution to peace and development at the bilateral, regional, and international level. I thank you and invite Prime Minister for his remarks. Thank you.
Thank you very much, my dear brother, colleague, Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif, distinguished ministers, delegates, and members of press. It is a great pleasure and honor for me to visit Pakistan again as my second home, even my first home, I can say. For all Turks, Pakistan is second home, and for all Pakistani, the same is true for Turkey. This is my first visit to Pakistan in my capacity as Prime Minister, but I have visited Pakistan several times as an academic and also as Minister of Foreign Affairs. It's the tradition in Turkey. Whenever a Prime Minister takes over the position, one of the first destinations should be Islamabad and Pakistan. And therefore, I am very happy to be here in my first months as the new Prime Minister, as well as co-chairing High-Level Strategic Cooperation Council meeting with Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif. Turkey and Pakistan has strong historical ties. For centuries back in the history, we had very close spiritual, cultural ties. And we never forget the assistance, help, solidarity of people of Pakistan during our War of Liberation. And from that time until now, whenever Pakistan faces any problem, it is a problem for Turkey. And whenever there is any problem facing Turkey, we have always seen the solidarity of people of Pakistan. Therefore, I want to express first our solidarity with Pakistan fighting against terror, and also again regarding all disaster management issues. And therefore, I want to declare additional $20 million assistance for temporarily displaced persons due to terrorism and flood affectees after this recent flood in Pakistan. Turkey will be always with you, Mr. Prime Minister, and with people of Pakistan. Whenever there is any need of assistance, solidarity from Turkey, we will be with you. And we have always seen your solidarity and assistance in difficult times of Turkey. In our High-Level Strategic Cooperation Council mechanism, we have shared many issues, bilateral-wise, regional and international issues. On bilateral issues, of course, we have close cooperation on security matters regarding fighting against terror, and also trade, energy, transportation, and in several other fields we have taken important decisions. We decided to conclude free trade agreement as early as possible in coming months, because we realized there is a slightly decrease in our trade volume, which we want to be at least $3 billion in next 2 years, and $5 billion up to $10 billion in coming years. We have a great potential in trade. What we need is more interaction, more cooperation, and a better atmosphere with this new free trade agreement, which we will be concluded soon, we hope. Also on transportation, Turkey and Pakistan, we are closer to each other than neighbors. But because of geographical distance, we need to have a much more efficient transportation linkages. Therefore, we want to have more frequency for Turkish Airlines as well as for Pakistan International Airlines, and also civil aviation agreements, railway connections, and also maritime cooperation in transportation. These are all important issues for us to work on. Trade. In order to promote trade, we need more transportation, and also on energy issues and other areas of cooperation like disaster management. We are ready to work together. We have signed today 11 additional MOUs and agreements. Before, in 3 High-Level Strategic Cooperation Council meetings, we signed 40 agreements. Now we have 51 agreements. There will be a follow-up mechanism how to make these agreements in real life applicable. And I am sure Turkish-Pakistani cooperation will be strengthened in the future. On regional matters, as you rightly said, Mr. Prime Minister, Turkey and Pakistan are pivotal countries in respective regions as well as in Asia. We are working closely and coordinating our strategies in difficult areas of challenges. And on Afghanistan, the peace and stability of Afghanistan is peace and stability of Turkey and Pakistan. Therefore, we have trilateral mechanism between Turkey, Pakistan, and Afghanistan. And next month, our ministers of foreign affairs will meet again, and the trilateral summit will be held in Turkey as early as possible. After this transition in Afghanistan, we are very happy to see Pakistan and Afghan leaders, President Ashraf Ghani and Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif, had excellent cooperation, and Pakistan and Afghanistan high-level strategic dialogue is continuing in a fruitful manner. We also support your initiatives to have good neighborly relations with India. Stability in subcontinent is essential for Asia, and Turkey will be always contributing to all these peace-oriented initiatives, as well as other challenges in our neighborhood. I have briefed Mr. Prime Minister about the situation in Syria, Iraq, Cyprus issue, and many other issues around Turkey. We have a common position regarding terrorism and regarding all Islamophobic attempts in different parts of the world. I was in Paris, March Against Terrorism, but also we expect the same solidarity from all European countries and United States regarding the killing of Muslims in US or in burning mosques in Europe. Today, it is high time for all humanity to work shoulder to shoulder against terrorism and against any type of racism, xenophobia, and Islamophobic tendencies. This is what we need, and Turkey and Pakistan, as two leading democracies in Asia, have the same objectives in international arena, and we have been supporting each other, and we will continue to support each other, as well as international peace and stability. Again, thank you very much for great hospitality. This time my visit has to be shorter, but I promise to come back for a longer period to stay in Pakistan. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I think so. Yeah.